Oh! Hey guys, this is NeoMC here, and I'm with Razzly79, and today we're doing more Avalanche. So, 2 days ago, I posted a video, Razzly, and we did this map, and we failed because we're terrible at parkour. But it's okay, because we're back for more, and we're determined to beat it. If you want to go see the first episode, go in the description and watch it. And actually, don't watch it, it's really bad. Watch this one, because we're going to win. So, basically, you run away from stuff and don't die. Gah!
Yeah, let's go.
Get out of my face.
Oh, dang. Good one, Noah. Made that. Didn't think I was gonna make that. Okay.
Okay, so it turns out this is a lot longer than...
No, I missed my ride.
Good job. This is a lot longer than we thought. We probably made it about halfway last time.
Yep.
And we gave up too early. But we're not giving up this time.
Well, we didn't give up. We just didn't have the skills to progress.
Hey Nick. I'm betting that this is probably gonna take an hour. At the
Who knows? Alright, let's go.
Nick!
No.
Alright, you can go first.
Okay.
Ow.
Is that a water
Wait,
block?
what's the point of the... That's,
Yeah.
That's kind of useless.
We have resistance, so what's the point?
Okay. Dude, we're so far ahead.
We are.
This is a
Keep
good
going.
round.
Keep the pace up,
Yeah. This is a
Alright.
good round. Let's just ladies first. Go ahead.
Hey.
Sorry, Nick. No, goes first. No, it's better.
I still don't even hear it.
Yeah, I know. This is really good. Watch us get it our first try.
No. Okay, I hear it.
That
'cause
would
I'm
be
back.
so cool if we got it first try, but I don't know what's after, like, the candy cane parts or whatever we ended on. Oh, yeah. The candy cane. What? Are you kidding me?
What?
That was not a good sign.
Blackwell causes blindness.
Oh, really? Oh, you're only at that part?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whew.
no. Stop! Stupid blindness! Let me run! Okay.
Come on, go. Go, 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 go.
Gotta focus.
Okay.
Focus, gotta focus. Not gonna make any stupid mistakes. Oh, like that. Like, just like that. Exactly like that. Perfect.
And...
It's getting... Oh, wow. We're actually really, really far
we
ahead.
are. This is
Alright.
actually really good for our first attempt.
This was the
Okay.
hardest part. Nick, go ahead. Nick, go.
Oh gosh.
Nick, go.
How?
Go, go. I believe.
Nope.
Go. No one made it.
Okay, I can hear it. I can hear it. That's bad.
Ah, God!
Is it like one of those momentum
Okay, yeah,
things?
we can't... I think you just have to keep running. And I'm in trouble.
And I'm in trouble. Yep.
I can't
Oh,
tell-
Noah. Okay, this is your last go.
Oh, no!
Wait, how'd you just make that?
I didn't. I don't know. Oh, God.
Did you kind of chicken wing it?
I have no idea.
Go.
This is gonna be a long day. I'll just cut out some highlights. Oh, man.
Cut out some highlight.
Yeah. Of the video.
Okay.
Oh, with
Alright, come on.
scissors. Nick.
Go!
Nick, come back. Nick, no. I'm good at this part because I'm good
Nope.
at, like, running. Oh, no. I fell
Which-
on the first jump.
I'm good at running. Alright.
Oh my
jump
God.
first.
Nick, no. Nick, no, I can still hear it.
Okay, good.
Oh my God.
Okay, good.
Nick.
No. Oh, well, I missed that.
No, 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 no.
Okay, jump up.
Oh, no.
Kill me.
Ah. Focus. Focus.
No!
Okay. Yes! No! No! No!
Shoot.
No! 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 No!
No, go no. I believe. You're still alive. Here comes Santa.
Okay, I already failed.
Hey, me too.
I'm already dead.
I
Go, go,
I
go.
died already.
Run, I believe.
No, you're not. Oh, your ride is gone.
Take me. Take me.
Noah, 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 Noah. Why?
Nick,
Why you gonna work?
Nick,
Yeah.
the platform's no move.
Excuse me.
Uh, uh,
Okay. Are you going to work now? That'd be great.
Yeah, that would be real. No.
No. You just not having it. He's just not. It's just not having it.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. I don't want to re-download this.
Why does it break? Okay, that's the map maker's fault.
Yeah, you know what, Neo? This was cool, but it wasn't cool enough. Okay, you gotta fix that, whatever that was. Okay, problem solved.
You want to sing a song while we're at it?
Okay, what song you want to sing?
I don't know. Some Christmassy song.
Okay, you go first. Sing your heart out.
I see those bells jingling, ring, ting, ting. Come on, it's lovely weather for an avalanche together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go before you get crushed by snow. Ow, I just died. Lovely. We're riding in a wonderland of panic. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's run before we get cooked on. I don't even know anymore. Oh, you died already? I didn't even notice.
I was too busy admiring your song.
Oh, hey.
That
thanks.
was
Thanks,
beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 10 out of 10.
Thanks. See those bells jingling, ring, ting, ting. Come on, it's lovely weather for an avalanche together with you. Okay, this part.
Go, 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 go.
Oh no, that was actually pretty good. That was pretty good.
Oh man, Nick, you fell.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Nick,
aware.
I want to be you. Let's go. Oh, it's okay, Nick. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. Just keep the momentum going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good
Okay.
job. Good. No, 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 no. You're not supposed to stop, Nick.
No.
Nick, that's why you don't
Okay.
stop. Nick, you just keep going.
Okay.
Oh,
Are you?
It's,
I hear
it's
it.
okay.
That's
Don't
bad. I
don't
hear
worry
it. I
about
hear it.
Don't worry about it, okay?
Oh my god!
Okay, Neo, I'm sorry, but could you like make the thing where like that where you're falling? Could you make that teleport you a little bit closer to
I did.
like
Goodbye, world.
not the void? Okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. We can do
It's
this.
your turn to sing now.
Okay. What should I sing?
I don't know. Christmas song.
What's Christmas?
Are you kidding me? I give up. I actually give up.
Yeah.
Neo. Hasn't even been 3 attempts. Fix that ugly bug, please. Let's look at.
Fix your maps! Fix your maps! Bye! Gotta download this map. Third time! Third time! Jeez! Yay! Third time. Oh my god! I wonder if it's gonna work this time! I don't know! Maybe it will, maybe it won't.
Let's go.
I give up. Panic. Oh my god, finally. Yes! Okay, I made it to the next part.
Okay, I'm right behind you. Right behind you.
Thank you. What?
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Hello?
Oh no.
Oh,
No! Alright, I believe in you, Noah.
Thanks, man.
Oh, those skeletons though. Hurry up.
Ah!
Oh good, they're shooting each other.
Oh,
Go.
cool.
Take
cool,
this.
cool.
Go.
Got
Next.
it.
Oh gosh.
Go forward.
Oh,
Forward.
okay.
Okay.
Vanishing
Oh,
blocks
no.
blink in and out of existence.
Oh, did you die? Oh no.
Yeah.
No! How the heck? How? How? Oh god. No. No.
Careful. Oh. Go.
Oh no!
Go.
Ah! Okay, well Nick had to go, but for some reason he's over there, even though he's not on the server. But I'm determined to beat this without him. Okay, so judging by how the Avalanche isn't even there anymore, and my score somehow skipped up to 10, I don't think this is working very well. There's literally no Avalanche. It would have caught up to me by now. Neo, I don't know what's wrong with your map, but you need to fix it because it's not doing too good. Even though there's no Avalanche, I'm still determined to beat it, and I'm never gonna beat it. No. No! No. Ah, God! I'm so close. Oh, no. Go! Yes! Let me in. Yes! Oh my god. After 42 minutes of recording this, with and without Nick, I finally did it. Oh, that was awful. Running away from blocky avalanches that don't even work. My life. I'm never gonna get this time back. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you faceplant to that like button and go check out NeoMC in the description. Or don't. Bye bye.